class and learn the peachy way.
Today is the day we go to school, go to school, go to school. Today is the day we go to school, it's our very first day. The bag on my back goes zip and close, zip and close, zip and close. The bag on my back goes zip and close, ready for my school. Do you have your lunch? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you have your water? Yes, I do. For my first day of school. The shoes on my feet go tap, 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 tap along, tap along. The shoes on my feet go tap, 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 walking out the door. Today is the day we go to school, go to school, go to school. Today is the day we go to school, it's our very first day. The teacher at the door says, welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. The teacher at the door says, welcome in on my first day of school. Give a big hug and say goodbye, say goodbye, say goodbye. Give a big hug and say goodbye. Mom and Dad will come back soon. Will you make a friend? Yes, I will, yes, I will. Will you share your toys? Yes, I will. At my school today, I find my name and hang my coat, hang my coat, hang my coat. I find my name and hang my coat. Now I'm in my room. Now we are here at school today, school today, school today. Now we are here at school today, and it feels okay. Are you feeling brave? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Are you feeling happy? Yes, I am. At my school today, we read a book and sing a song, sing a song, sing along. We read a book and sing a song with my friends at school. Now we are here at school today, school today, school today. Now we are here at school today, and it feels okay. We are so happy here at school, here at school, here at school. We are so happy here at school. I'm brave and I'm okay.
I did it! Yes, I did!
I did it, yes I did. Bye-bye, school.